Welcome back to the Wicks crew. Well, y'all, in this video, don't mind how my body look, we're gonna be pranking Bae. I'm gonna be doing the selling fart prank, and where I got it from is right here. Hold on, where's it at? Right here. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, but here go the prank right here. That one. So yeah, y'all, he at work right now. Bae at work right now. So once he get home, I'm gonna try to be like, oh, we gonna do a video, da 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 da. But before he do that, nah, I can't do that. I'm gonna probably be like, we gonna be, I don't know, cause we supposed to be recording tomorrow too. So I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna have to think of something. But I'm gonna show y'all the materials. I'll be right back. I gotta go get them. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I got the little jars I'm be using. I don't know if y'all. Hold on. Let me see. Ooh. Well, y'all, I got all the little jars I'm gonna be using. I don't know if y'all know what these are, but anybody that has a child would know. It's like the little Gerber little puffs containers. I had to take the little label off. So I got, y'all, if y'all hear Bella in the background, she in the living room watching her show. I'm gonna show y'all her in a minute. But as y'all can see, I have 3 of them. Where the other? Oh. And then I have the liquid ass fart prank. But instead of doing a fart prank, I'm gonna just spray. Yeah, I'm gonna probably spray like 2 of them. Nah, I ain't even gonna spray them because I'm gonna use these for something else. I'm gonna spray like in the air and like around this on the outside so I can just be able to wash it. So yeah, y'all, let's see how this thing go. So yeah, y'all. Well, y'all, but looking like, what the world is this? Say hi to the Wicks crew, mama. Y'all, we got the matching bonnets on deck. Tell them, but. And y'all, if y'all see hers got the little adjustable little thing right here. So adjusts with her. Sit down, Oreo. But yeah, y'all, say prank wars has started, dada. Said prank wars has started. Mommy coming back with the bangers. Tell them, but. But yeah, y'all, see y'all when the prank starts. Ba, 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 ba. Well, y'all. Oh, damn, I forgot the intro. Lord, Bella, we forgetting the intro. Hey, y'all, welcome back to the Wicks crew. Well, y'all, in today's video, we gonna be doing alright, y'all, I'm back. So in today's video, I'm be doing, as y'all see by these containers, yes ma'am, I'm gonna be selling my farts. Yes, I came up with this. I was scrolling what was it, Pinterest, and they was saying, oh, you can do this, that, and the third. I said, oh, okay, bet. So y'all, this one right here, I think I labeled. Yeah, this one right here with like the little scuffs right here on the top. This was, I say, about 2 hours ago. So that one is 2 hours ago. This one that got like the little piece right here, that one, I think that one was like 8, if I'm not mistaken. And then this one right here with nothing up there on the top. with no markings on the top. That one, I think that's the longest one. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna be selling my farts. So y'all, and I'm gonna go live on Instagram. So if y'all do want them, I'm gonna be broadcasting them. What?
Fuck out you, girl.
What?
Stupid ass.
Why not?
You selling farts.
I am.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Bella. Why not? I've seen it on what you call it, Pinterest. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna be going live on Instagram if you want them, showcasing them. The one that's the newest one, I'm selling that one for $100. The oldest one I'm selling for about 55, 65 ish. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna try to put Bae on game and let him know. Bae, you think it's a good idea? Huh? Huh? I'll beat the shit. Now I'm selling farts though. All you gotta do, you don't smell it. Open up one of them.
Bro, I'm not stupid. You spread it down,
Yeah, but we still, I don't care. I don't care what nobody say. We still got him. So that's it. And that's on what? Period. We got him, y'all. And all right, Bella, tell him, mama. Ain't that right? It stink. It's stinky. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm just ending the video. Hope you guys like this banger and coming back with more. Trust and believe, because this is what, 2? I think this is 2-0. Yeah, I got 2. Bae got 0. So yeah, y'all keep coming with them bangers, banger ideas, I meant. And yeah, y'all keep providing them for you. Y'all comment down below and tell Bae step his game up. But yeah, y'all, just to end the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, yeah, don't forget to smash the post notification bell so you can be notified when the Wicks crew upload our next video. Until next time, you guys, be out. I wanna ride.